Married women, they are cheating on their husbands nowadays. Women, they are cheating than men nowadays, especially ama 90s 2000, they are cheating, guys. They have got affairs with other men, you understand? That person, she is married, but she have got another affair with another man. Women nowadays, they are cheating because they are independent. They are going to work just because maybe it's 50-50, you understand? When a woman, she is independent, guys, she is going to cheat on you. So married women, they are cheating, but once your husband cough to you, you are cheating. Your husband doesn't have feelings for you once he cough to you cheating with another man, you understand? And that person you are cheating with, that person, he have got his own family, his own wife. So sometimes, guys, be careful, women, when you are cheating, because sometimes, guys, you can destroy your marriage with something small, you understand? The guys, that person you are cheating with, he is not going to marry you once your man divorce you or you are separating with your man. He is not going to marry you. He is going to continue living his life with his wife. He can tell you that I'm married, but he knows that, guys, sometimes, guys, don't be evil, especially men. You are in a relationship with a married woman. You want to destroy your marriage because you know that woman, she is married, you understand? You are continuing to being in a relationship with a married woman. How do you feel? Maybe it's your wife is cheating on you, you understand? Sometimes, guys, don't sometimes you have to feel for another man, you understand? Because sometimes you are destroying another man's marriage, you understand? Because you are in a relationship with a married woman, you understand? A man can have many wives, but a woman can't, guys, you understand? You know that woman, she is married, but we are seducing her or what, you understand? It's not good. So sometimes, guys, don't destroy someone's home. And once that woman, she is divorcing with her husband, why you are not going to marry her? And you don't marry her, you will know that, you understand? You are going to continue living your life with your wife and kids, and you destroy someone's marriage, understand? So sometimes be careful, women, because don't destroy your home. Once your man cough to you, you are cheating with another man. That your man, he is not going to have any feelings for you. You have to know that, you understand? Even you are continuing staying together, but you can show that it's not the same now. Don't have a competition with your man. You saw your man, he is cheating, so you are going to cheating too. It's not good, you understand? And that person you are cheating with, he is married, you understand? So sometimes be careful, because you can destroy your own marriage.